Do you have a small business and want to establish it online? You are on a right place. I am Hidayat Sham presenting daily teachings. In this video, I will tell you how you can create your own website by free hosting and free web domain. Fine. What you have to do, you have to go to Google and write app sorry app.pk.page and press enter, and you can see it's logging Apni website banaain. And when it's logging, it will show you a page to log into your account. I have already logged in, that's why it show me such type of layout. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to create a new website. Just click on create a new website. I clicked on it and it's asking about the website domain or website name. Fine. And I'm writing daily teachings and click on next. Now here's one of the most interesting thing, and that it's asking about me what type of category your website have. And I'm selecting business because I want to establish my business online. Fine. And it's selecting the best color and the best font for our business website. Fine. You can see a multiple templates here, and you can select anyone. It's up to you that what type of template you want to select. Fine. And for now we are just selecting freelance and technology. You can select anyone, and it's just for teaching you. Or we can select school and tuition. Let's click on it, make website. Or you can go for the view website as well. When you click on view website, it will show you a demo about this template. Fine. Now what you have to do, everything is all right. You just have to change the pictures and change the name or adjust the text according to your need or you. Fine. I just click on it and I want to edit this. Fine. And I again click on it, and here is written Shaheen School, and I just want to rename it to daily teachings. Daily teachings, daily teachings. Fine. You can see daily teachings here. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can adjust, align it right to left, you can change the color as well, you can increase or decrease the font size as well. Fine. For now I just adjusting it to the 65. Now if I want to add something to about us menu, or I want to change the name of about us, I can do it all here. Fine. Now I'm going to personalize it. First of all, I want to change the image. I just click on image and it's asking about me select the image from your files or gallery, or you want to select your image from your previous images. Fine. I want to select image from my device, and for now I'm just selecting this one. I select it and it's loading our image to show it to our website. And after that we will personalize this text now, and it's asking about the size of the image. I want to crop it or resize it or not, and I just want to little bit crop it. Now click on confirm. You can see as I click on confirm, our pictures are successfully uploaded on our website. Fine. Now I want to change this text, and I just want to add something more. Personalized education online with daily teachings. Fine. I can change the font size as well, as we have done it on the header. Fine. If I want to change this one, we promise to do our best to enhance the learning experience of every student based on their individual needs. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you don't want to change it, it's up to you. And for now, I'm just leaving it as it is. Fine. Now here's a button of contact. Now I can change the name, like I can add apply online. Fine. And here is asking about all the things. If you want to add any type of URL, that when a user on your page click on contact us or apply online, then it should directly redirect to this particular link that as I have told you. Fine. And here you can see the connect now. And here I want to change this name to connect now to apply now. Sorry, apply now. Fine. Now what user have to do, it have to tell his name, phone number and message, and you can add all the things as it is. Fine. And I want to add one more column here, like I just click on add. Now it's showing me the, I want to add a cover, I want to add a service, I want to add an article, I want to add a team review, pricing, smart or contact. Fine. You can add anything, it's up to you that what you want to add. Fine. Now I have added one more contact info. Now I want to delete it, you can delete it as well. And if you want to move it up and down, you can use this button as well. Fine. Now for now I'm deleting this. Fine, this is all set. Now here is asking about the our packages. As I have already told you, you want to establish your business to online. Fine. What you have to do, you have to paste the pictures of your product. You can change it, it's up to you that what you want to upload. You can name it just clicking on the particular element. You can do each and everything, like here's a light and I'm just writing like learn git learn git. Fine. And I want to change its pricing. Its price should be, it should be 10,000. Fine. And here's a button for book now. I can change its name again as well. And if I want to change the color background, I can change it from here. And if I click on save, you will see the color is automatically changes. But again, I just wanted this one. Fine. This one is looking good. Fine. In this way you can change all this. It's all about your products or it's all about your business. You can change everything. Now here's an article about Shaheen School, that we have seen that this website named about Shaheen School, but we want to change its name because we do not have Shaheen School, we have a Daily Teachings Academy. About Daily Teachings. Fine. Now here's a text that will describe you. Fine. Now here's a contact page that we have already seen, like contact now. You can change this as well. And here's a button to talk to you on WhatsApp. As you click on this button here, it will show you a number. You can change your number as well. Fine. And here are the remaining articles. You want to change your number here, and you want to change the text as well, it's up to you. And here is an option for name, phone and message. Then here is a button for submit. Fine. And here you can add your social media profile links as well, like Facebook and Twitter. As I click on both of them, both of icon, you can see I can paste the link of my Twitter account here, and I can paste the link here of my Facebook account. And if I want to add more, I can add the things as well. And here is an plus icon. Just what I have to do, I have to just select the image or logo of the particular website. Like if I want to add the uh, you can see Draz image, Draz icon. Fine, I can add it here. And if you want to add a menu, you can add the menu from here. Fine, you can change the menu name as well. Fine, like it's asking about the home. I think there should be a home option, and its size should be fine. It's all fine. Fine. Now it's all about creating your website. Fine. Now come to this option. What you can do in add option, you can add a cover, you can add services, gallery, teams. You can tell the people about your team that who will like we are creating an educational website, and when you are creating your business website, you can describe your team here. Like here is a picture, you can change the picture, and you can write his or her name, and you can describe its profession or its job in your company or in your business. Fine, and you can do this all the things here. Fine. Now what we have to do, if you want to edit more things, you can edit header, cover, simple art, article, contact, theme, and footer. Is up to you. And these are all these options that we have seen here, and these are all step by step. Fine. Now here's an option for launch. Now what to do if you want to launch your website, and it's asking about, for starter is right 0 for lifetime, and if you want to launch, you can launch it for free. And if you want to launch it for a professional, you have to pay 6,750 rupees per year. Fine. And here is a few packages that you will get in free and paid version. You can see all the things here. I think free is enough, and I am launching it free of cost. Just click on launch for free, and it's asking about that I can check the domain that dailyteachings.pk.page, and it's saying congratulations, dailyteachings.pk.page is available, and I want to select it. Now it's all done. Now he's asking about the title. I think it's fine. And he's asking about the description about your business. If you want to change it, you can change it here. And here is saying that how people would search you on Google, by your business name or by your certain city. You can add keywords, it's up to you. You can describe your business keyword, like if you want to sell the things on a spot, like you can add sports element like football, bat, ball. You can add everything, is up to you. Fine. And you can see here it's showing me that if anyone search daily teachings, then it will on Google, it will show like this. And like you can see, it's continuously giving me the sample. Like anyone search MS Office, it will show this. Anyone search Microsoft Line, it will show this. You can add more element as well, like I can add free learning resources. Fine, I just press enter, and you will see it will show some demo article here. Like if anyone search free learning resources on internet, it will show your page here. Fine. Now what we have to do, finally we have to launch our website. I am just clicking on launch to launch. We have all done. I'm just going to click on next, and it's asking me about to select the plan, that what type of plan I want to select, that 0 over 1000 visit page views or website order via SMS. Fine. If you want to change the plan, you can click on change. You can change your plan to professional or your, it's up to you. Fine, I'm clicking on launch free website, and it's asking me to writing code and publishing link online few minutes, and don't go, and it will take only 6 minutes to launch your website. And now congratulations, our website has successfully created and successfully launched on internet. Fine, if you want to update it, means you want to update to free plan to professional plan, you can click here. In this way you can create your website. Is all about today's video.